Today's highlight is a house that doesn't impose itself on the landscape. It rests gently and respectfully upon it, dissolving its volumes into stone, shadow, and native vegetation. Rinconada House sits on a lush plot in Malinalco, Mexico. The house unfolds across a single level, prioritizing horizontality to strengthen its connection to the ground and the surrounding garden. It is composed of a linear sequence of stone volumes, connected by horizontal planes of exposed concrete that float above the walls to form the roof. These slabs create deep shade and frame views toward the landscape, while the voids between the blocks form gardens and allow light and breeze to enter in a controlled way. The materials used in this house reinforce its bond with the site: volcanic stone and cast-in-place concrete, both low maintenance and visually grounded. The earthy tone palette blends into the surroundings, echoing the native vegetation and reinforcing a sense of permanence and calm. The garden is not a separate element, but a natural extension of the field. Composed of wild plants and shallow water features, the landscaping promotes biodiversity, reduces water consumption, and follows the rhythm of the seasons. Rather than making a bold statement, Rinconada House seeks to disappear into nature. A quiet architecture that shelters, embraces, and invites one to live with time, unhurried, unadorned, in harmony with what was already there.